Autotimelapse platform Vietnam video miner tutorial. Enter the keyword Autotimelapse and click on the first result. Log in and choose Timelapse. Select the project you want to filter or enter keywords in the search box. Once all photos of the project appear, select Filter Videos section. The system will create a random video for your preview. To create your own videos, select Filter section. First, specify the date range you want to filter or keep it as the default range. Similarly, select the time to filter. Click on Filter to start. Wait a few minutes for the system to load the video. After getting your desired video, select Render to download the video. In this function, you can customize the number of frames per second and select your desired frame size. Give the system a few minutes to complete the video. Select Download to download the video to your device.